and welcome to Derivo Club. Before we begin, if you haven't watched our Flashbot video, we strongly recommend that you do so using the notification above. That video explains the general setup and features that apply to all our bots. This video assumes you've already watched it. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the OddBot. The OddBot is very similar to our parity bot with one key difference. This bot trades digit odd only. It is designed specifically for traders who prefer focusing purely on odd digit strategies. If you've ever tried trading digit odd on Deriv and struggled to stay consistent, this video is for you. We've developed a solution that helps automate odd digit trading with better structure and discipline. Before you start trading, we recommend having at least $10 in your Deriv account. For this demonstration, I'll assume we already have that amount available. First, we open our Deriv account and refresh the page to ensure everything is properly set. Once that's done, we return to the Derivo Club website and select the OddBot from the list of available bots. Next, I click Open and choose the web app option. This takes us directly to the OddBot interface where I log in. As you can see, the dashboard is clean, professional, and easy to navigate. All Derivo Club bots share the same dashboard design. The only difference is how each bot operates and the trading strategy it uses. Now let's set up the trade. I enter a stake of $10, select a martingale, and then click Start Bot. I want you to watch closely how the bot operates. Just like our other bots, the OddBot will execute 30 automated trades and then stop automatically. Let's observe how the trades perform. 30 trading runs have now been completed. With a stake of just $10, we've managed to generate a total profit of $246. Let's close the alert and confirm the result on Deriv. As you can see, the profit has already reflected in the Deriv account. If you enjoy trading digit odd only, then the OddBot is the perfect bot for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.